Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Nickolas, and Nickolas is 10 years old. He is the identical twin of his brother Romello that we were doing videos with earlier, and we're working on balance activities. So he was born at 33 weeks gestational age at 3 pounds 14 ounces. He has status post-ventricular septal defect repair, and he has pulmonary insufficiency and stenosis. He has attention deficit disorder, and he also has learning disabilities. So we're working on balance today. So the activity I want you to do is stand on that end, and I want you to tap this up and down 10 times. 1, keep your foot on there. 1, 2, I love it. 3, nice. 4, keep going, 5, yep, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I wanted to make this harder, I'd have him do it, but not all the way touch the ground, but he really needed that balance in between each time of being able to touch down in between each rep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I see you doing it. 5, 6. Nice job. 7, 8, you got this. 9, 10. He's really motivated by skateboard, so this is a great activity for him. Come on over here, my friend. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.